Opening with the king's pawn controls the center and opens up the light-squared bishop and queen, often leading to sharp games. e5 is a common response that establishes a presence in the center, controls d4, and opens up the queen and dark-squared bishop. Knight f3 develops the knight toward the center, attacks the e5 pawn, and prepares to castle. Knight c6 develops the knight toward the center, protects the pawn on e5, and eyes the d4 square. Playing the same piece again slows down the progress in the opening. You are forcing your opponent to double pawns. Recaptures. Castling kingside helps to complete your development. This loses a pawn. You found the right idea by sacrificing your bishop. This move wins a pawn. This allows the opponent to win material through a fork. This is the only move that works, and you found it. Your queen becomes more powerful by developing towards the action. This kicks the checking queen away with a pawn. That bishop was yours for the taking. The queen is kicked by a pawn and must now move or be captured. You captured that free pawn. This loses a pawn, but the position was losing no matter what. You will win a pawn with a fork. That pawn was yours for the taking. This blocks the check from an opposing queen. You captured a free pawn. This develops a piece while also winning a tempo on a queen. This is a good time for you to get out of trouble. That's not a mistake, but it's not the best move either. Good job stepping in to defend your pawn. This is a fair move. This is the way to win a rook. This moves the queen to safety. Good thinking. This move puts your piece into a stronger, more active position. This steps away from the checking queen. You will win a rook with a fork. This loses material, but the position was losing no matter what. You capture that free rook. One of the best moves. Nice fork, you'll be winning material. This loses a rook, but the position was losing no matter what.